Hi, 6th grade physical education. This is a quick little video on how to determine shooting averages using Microsoft Excel. With this video, you'll be able to calculate your shooting average as well as find out from what point on the court you are most accurate. This is a quick little example of what your assignment will look like by the end of this video. With that, we're going to go ahead and open up a brand new Excel sheet. We're going to get started right here at the top by typing in student name as the first marker. It's going to be a little larger than it's allowed, but go ahead and resolve that by clicking in between A and B, and it should expand. We're going to skip A2, and for the purposes of this video, I'm only going to use 2 student names, but I know in your groups you have at least 4 people. Go ahead and put down the number of rounds that you were able to get off. For this video, I'm only going to use 3, but hopefully you guys were able to get at least 4. Go ahead and put down the number of shots that were allowed for each round, which was 20. And go ahead and finish off by putting in the number of shots that each player made. Make sure not to confuse each other's averages, or else you might throw each other's stuff off, your totals off. Go ahead and wherever you finished, regardless of the letter, type in average. Leave the first square alone, and on the first student name, go ahead and click on auto sum button, click on average, press enter, click again on that box and drag this icon until you get to the last name, and it will give you the average for each person. And with that, you can use that to determine on what part of the court you're shooting most accurately from. Thank you for your time.